The MSc in Aesthetic Dentistry is a 3-year blended learning program covering topics ranging from tooth whitening to veneers, to the restoration of worn dentitions, and to the restoration of implants, for instance.
It's one of the most prestigious universities across the world. What is amazing about it is that it's blended learning, so I don't have to go abroad for 3 years. I just attend the course and then go back to my country. I don't have to leave my family, my profession, so it's really practical.
Being a blended learning course gives them that flexibility. You can learn and earn at the same time. The academic component is delivered through our online platform, which includes things such as focus seminars, support sessions with assignments, as well as tutorials, often with international experts connected to aesthetic restorative dentistry. And together with that, there is the opportunity to come to London, where we have face-to-face practical skills training, where we've got equipment which is world-class and you won't find as readily in other establishments.
So I needed something where I could fit around my daily working life, and ultimately it's not too disruptive. I think King's really stood out to me for the reputation. Also, you know, you're in London, you're in a big city, there's a lot to do. The staff are very friendly, very professional. You know, they're willing to help if you have a problem, if you're unsure about something. Always open to questions. So very supportive, I think.
In the first year, certainly, it's more an introduction, looking at things such as smile design, photography, learning things such as occlusion, which are often not covered as well as part of the undergraduate training, looking at doing anterior and posterior composite restorations. In the second year, we move on to slightly more complicated topics, management of tooth wear, veneers. We're looking at periodontal surgery in relation to aesthetic dentistry, as well as an introduction to implant treatment. And in the final year, we move on to more complex topics, fixed prosthodontics, bridge work, restoration of implants, full mouth rehabilitation, and things such as the orthodontic restorative interface. So things kind of ramp up as you go along in terms of how advanced the training is.
I have 2 clinics in the Philippines, one in Manila and the other one is in Davao. I did a lot of research in the internet and I see good feedbacks about the program, about the course. They teach every process in a very detailed way. In terms of the time availability that I have, it's very flexible.
At King's, with the leaders in distance dentistry and blended learning, we've been offering these courses for many, many years. And of course, King's has got a very high reputation within the UK and internationally in providing dental education, where we use a blend of highly experienced clinicians, researchers and academics, each bringing their own flavour to the table to our students, which gives them a very rich learning experience.
I've got a lot of benefit already, and there's definitely so many things that's changed the way that I usually work and practice.
I definitely recommend this course. I don't have to leave my friends, my family, and my job in Indonesia. I can just learn everywhere I like, and the stuffs are really motivational.